Sometimes I think that my crafts are rehearsal for post-apocalyptic world. How to repair, how to improvise, how to make these small necessary things that you don't want to spend a cup on. Hiya, how are you? All good? Oh, this is just heart monitor, nothing to worry about. I don't know about you, but I'm mildly obsessed with buttons. Not that they have calming effect on me.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That keeps you safe. Sometimes you gotta do it a lot. Like a lot.
I really think they can transform the garment. A row of buttons, unexplained placement, the material they're made from, wood, metal, bone, or covered in fabric. They can add an entire new layer to the story of the piece of clothing. My first instinct is, of course, to go to vintage shops. Military bronze buttons with intricate details? Oh, yes, please. Wooden? Yes, absolutely. Plastic? Not so much. If you're fond of 50s, 60s, 70s funkiness, vintage shops are proper treasure for you. But sometimes you really need a handful of matching buttons, and here things become complicated. So the only reasonable solution is to make them. A while ago, I saw a video when someone made buttons from avocado stones. I mean, yeah, I know that nature is wonderfully capable, but buttons from avocado bits? That was something new for me. Wooden buttons, coconut shell, but avocado stone? I have to try it. So today I'm recreating this process. First, I need to slice the avocado stone, then maybe leave it to drying, and after to make holes? We'll see. Drying time depends on thickness, humidity and general chaos. I tend to leave mine on kitchen's windowsill just because I forget about them. And after drying, sanding, shaping, putting finish on. Sounds easy enough. Let's go! Cutting is a crucial stage. There is, and I use this word lightly, a danger. The danger lies the cutting perpendicular to the natural seam, technically called the cotyledon line. If you didn't know the name, here you are. If you forget it immediately, it's completely normal. I did. If you cut the wrong way, you will end up with kind of circles, but until they snap. If you're aiming for decorative half moons, it's fine, but if not, avoid the seam. I think it's better to work with these ones because you have more room to work with instead of small ones. But to see the line properly, we need to peel the skin first. These ones need drying now, but I already have pre-dried one. Sanding time. Smells like avocado. Like dried avocado. Sometimes I think that my crafts are rehearsal for post-apocalyptic world. How to repair, how to improvise, how to make these small necessary things that you don't want to spend a cup on.
I can fix it. Cost you 5 caps.
Could you do it for 4?
When I play in Dishonored, I always study a little corners where someone made their life for themselves and wonder, can I do that like that? Can I live there in the sewers? I'm not sure, but I think you can make holes before they dried, but I waited because I'm curious and because I have Dremel and want to use it. 2 holes, 4 holes, entirely your call. I know that you won't care, but where are you going? But I'm still ill, and unfortunately my hands betraying me by shaking, and it's under investigation. So anyway, if you want to spend more time, you will have like the perfect circle buttons with very nice holes in it, but I don't have energy for that, unfortunately. But what I'm curious about right now, can I stain them? Let's test it. After they dry, I will put the finish on, and yeah, you can guess it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, of course, Orizo. Bravo, bravo. Alright, see you in reveal. And here they are, and I actually like how they look. They remind me of Kodama in Princess Mononoke. At the moment I don't have a garment that needs them structurally, this is purely decorative, but I certainly will use them properly and report to you. Pinky promise. So yes, Avocado stone buttons. Unexpected, a little bit eccentric, functional. Wish you sharp knives and steady hands. Cheers! Yep. They will snap. Seriously? Wooden buttons, avocado shell. Avocado shell. Why I can't talk? 2 holes, 4 holes, 4 holes. I like it, Picasso.